Dreaming of fresh start in one of the most beautiful countries in the world. Imagine working in a place where ancient castles meet cutting-edge tech and your weekends are filled with the scenic hikes and historic charm. Welcome to Scotland where opportunities meets adventure. In this video, we are diving into the hottest job opportunities in 2025 and beyond. Well, how you do top industries hiring right now, how you can apply, what visas you need, all the amazing benefits waiting for you when you make the move. Whether you are nurse, software developer, engineer, or just someone creative new chapter, Scotland might just be your perfect fit. So grab a cup, hit that subscribe button, and let's get you one step closer to landing your dream job in Scotland. Jobs in Scotland 2025 apply now. In this video, I'll walk you through the most in-demand jobs and how to apply, visa tips, and why Scotland might just be your dream destination. Let's go. Why Scotland? Clips of happy workers, public transport, free healthcare, science, nature. Scotland is just not big bags and castle, it's a global hub for the innovation, healthcare, green energy, and tech. With free public healthcare and strong education system, and beautiful cities like Edinburgh and Glasgow. The quality of life here is unbeatable, and the best part, Scotland is actively looking for the skilled international workers. That could be you. Top in demand jobs. Let's talk about the fields that are hiring right now. Healthcare nurses, midwives, care assistants, and social workers are needed across Scotland. Technology, software engineers, cybersecurity experts, and data analysis are hot in cities like Edinburgh. Renewable energy, Scotland is a leader in the wind and solar energy, and the demand is rising fast. Education, especially special needs and secondary teachers. These sectors offers great salaries, long-term career growth, and visa sponsorship opportunities. Applying is easier than you think. Start by heading and trusted sites like My Job and Government or Job.com. Create an account, search for roles, and submit your application online. Customize your resume and cover letter for every role. Show them you have fit the job, and don't be afraid to apply to multiple positions. Skilled worker visa requirements. To work in Scotland, you likely need a skilled worker visa. Here's what you need. A job offer from UK, licensed sponsored, minimum salary of 38,700 or the rules going on rate. Once approved, you can even bring your family, and after 5 years, apply for the permanent residency. Benefits of working in the Scotland. Montage of work pays, outdoor life, healthcare. When you work in the Scotland, you get way more than a paycheck. Free NHS healthcare. Generous holiday 28 plus days. Safe scenic cities and towns. Strong community vibes. And yes, bagpipes, whiskey, and castle too. You're not just building a career, you are upgrading your lifestyle. So if you are ready to take the leap and build a life in Scotland, start your job today. I'll drop all the useful links in the description below. To navigate the application process and understand in-demand field, consider the following steps. In-demand sectors. Number 1, technology and IT. Number 2, healthcare. Number 3, renewable energy. And number 4, application process. Number 1, job search. Application submission. Follow up. Work visa requirements. Key requirements include job offer, a confirmed offer, and eligible, skilled job from UK licensed sponsored. Salary threshold, an annual salary of at least £38,700 or the going rate for the job, whichever is higher. English proficiency, demonstrated English language skills at level B1 or above on the Common European Framework of Reference or language. Financial requirements saving up to 1,270 for at least 28 days before the application. Unless the sponsor agree to cover initial expenses. For comprehensive details on skilled worker visa, refer or Scotland's skilled workers worker visa pages, additional tips, tailor applications, and customize your CV and cover letter to align with the specific job description. Emphasizing relevant skills and experiences. Utilize AI tools. Consider using AI powered tools to refine your application materials and practice interview scenarios, ensuring authenticity and personalizations. Networking, engage with a professional network and consider connecting with the requirement. Agencies specializing in your field to uncover additional opportunities. By focusing on these in demand sectors and adhering to the outlined application and visa process, you can enhance your prospectus of securing employment in the Scotland. Scotland is not just a place to work, it's a place to grow, explore and create a life you are proud of. With the world-class job opportunities, free healthcare, stunning scenery, and a welcoming culture. It's more than a destination, it's a fresh start. So whether you are chasing career growth, better quality of life, or just a new adventure, Scotland is ready for you. Don't wait for the perfect moment, create it. Start your journey today. See you in the next information.